Hi guys, welcome back to Young's Garden. Hopefully everyone's doing okay. Today I would like to share with you my grafting skills, which this is actually my first time grafting Wampee, and I got 3 scion from Anne, my friend. She's so awesome. She got all this good sweet variety of Wampees, and she gave me 2 variety, and I'm gonna try to cover it with the grafting tape. Here I'm just taping it all around, and then after that I'm gonna trim it. I'm gonna trim the bottom, kind of sharpen it, and then we can get started. This Wampee has been in the ground for the last 2.5 years, and I got this online for probably $100 or $120. So now it is grown so tall, probably about 4 feet or 5 feet here. So I am ready to graft it. So I'm trimming the ends of the scion, just kind of sharpen it on both sides and let it expose the area so it will have a chance to take some nutrients in and grow and be attached to the other side of the other part of the Wampee tree shaft, and it will fuse in once you graft it together. And now you just have to trim the original rootstock. Just trim it on top like that, as you can see. And once you're done trimming, just cut some of the extra growth on the side, just so you can have some room to graft. In this video, you only see me trimming the top, but technically you have to trim everything on the bottom just so it will focus its energy of the grafting top, so it will heal faster. And here I'm just splitting the shaft, the main rootstock on top. Just trim it. Just split it right in half, right in the middle of the shaft, right there where I got the cut. Hopefully you can see this clearer. The sun is hitting on that side, so I'm gonna get my camera and just bring it over here. So I split right in the middle, and now I'm putting my scion right in between. This style of grafting is called Cleft grafting or Cleft graft. So you just basically eyeball it. If it doesn't fit, just pull it out and just trim some more. I think my ends was actually a little bit too thick, so I had to pull it out and kind of trim it some so it will fit. And once it's nice and fitted and tight, you just wrap it with the grafting tape, and of course I have to resize it some more. And it looks like it is finally fit. I'm gonna grab my grafting tape, and I usually start on the bottom where the splits ends and just start from there and just go right all the way to the top just to cover everything. But again, make it really tight so it will hold and take. You don't want any space in between the cuts, so you want to make it really nice and tight. And that's pretty much it. I just try to get it nice and fitted, and once I'm there, I just tie it, just kind of stretch out the tape. I usually go once or twice back and forth again, just to be sure that I got everything nice and tight. And I just tie it like so, and I go back and I also use zip tied, just so it would be close, the opening to be more secure. And here I use two, one on top and possibly one on the bottom. So that's pretty much it. I just use this zip tie to put it around the cut that I did, and then I would use the bag over it. This is a second protection. It just acts as a greenhouse effect, give it a really good temperature control, and once I see any growth from the Zion, I would remove the bag, of course, and keep the Zion still covered. But since this will be my first time grafting Wampee, I have no idea how long it will take, maybe a couple of months. I have no clue, so I'm going to keep this on until I see any signs, any shoots coming out. And of course you need to cover it up because the sun is very intense in Southern California. This is zone 10B, very hot here. So just give it some shading cloth, give it a little protection. And here is my second Wampee that I got it for probably $150 from a local nursery. They have a nursery in the backyard, and they also deliver their plants, and they deliver my plants to my house, which is nice. Here I'm just trimming all the extra growth so I can prepare my grafting. So I will cut these two parts, and I'm gonna eyeball it and just kind of go all the way down straight to the shaft right in the middle. I'm fast forwarding this because you already saw the first part is just very basic, the same as the cleft style that I did on the first Wampee tree. So here I'm just kind of eyeballing it, trim it some more, see if it fits, and then I just shove it in, get my grafting tape, and just basically tape it around from the bottom all the way to the top where it splits, and just cover it, make it really tight all the way to the opening. And then you can also go back again, and then you just tie it up and use a zip tie, and that's pretty much it. So zip tie is actually a second security to make it nice and tight, and add the bag on, and that's all there's to it. Nothing much, nothing too complicated. And just wait a few months and just watch it, water it. Here is my fig rootstock. I got this from Home Depot for $29. Now I'm gonna make my cuts here, and there it is. I grafted it. I know I didn't show you the whole details, but hopefully you get the idea. This is the Black Madeira fig that I grafted onto this rootstock, and the rootstock is actually the striped tiger fig. It's pretty good, small size, but I'd rather have something special So this is the actual good scion that I use, which I got from Anne, my good friend. She's so awesome. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more updates. Bye.